Having brought multiple products to the market, when you're in the process of selecting that, what are the things that you look for in a product that help you evaluate whether or not it would be a good fit?
Whether you're going into business or you're developing a product or you want to launch a product like I've done, or you want to create something, or you just want to get a job for a company in the sales and marketing area. First thing I look for, is it a solution to a problem? Are you creating a solution, finding a problem that it might fit? If there's a real problem that's out there, if there's a market that's out there, that's my first criteria. Then if I see a product that solves that problem, and then I look for things like, is it innovative? Is it unique? Is it reliable? Is it cost effective for that market and for that problem solution? Then I look further. Then I develop, and I look who's doing it, what's the team, what's the product, what's their manufacturing like, what exactly drives them to create a product that I think I could communicate its value to other people who have that problem that will solve. I had to see it first and foremost as a solution to a problem that existed, not a problem I was going to create that would say, hey, this would be really good if this was the problem you have. But yes, here's a problem you have, here's the solution to where it starts. After that, you kick the tires and see how's the quality, how's the reliability, how's the price point, all of that.